Lesson 69 of 100 in the Jazz Violin series. Last video I mentioned fully diminished chords, how one chord can be actually 4 different chords because they're all the same. And so since that is the case, if you were to play the arpeggio on your violin, any one of those, as long as you know the fingering, your fingerings would fall into all 4. So if you see a C diminished, it's also E flat, it's also G flat, it's also A. All the same notes. So to get your fingers used to them, practice them, you only have to practice 1 to know 4. It's kind of cool. And that leaves, there's 2 others that are possible in between. So if you know, say, A diminished arpeggio, you also know C, E flat, and G flat. And then if you learn B flat, 1/2 step up, everything up a half step. I'm not thinking. You also know 4 more. Again, there's 12, right? If you know B, you also know 4 more. So you only have to practice 3 sets of fingerings. Kind of efficient, isn't it? To know 12 diminished arpeggios. So what good are these diminished arpeggios? It's pretty obscure stuff, right? Sounds pretty heady. Well, I never used diminished arpeggios for the longest time until I started playing gypsy jazz music. In gypsy jazz, it came about a little more naturally. Sometimes there's diminished chords in them, and I would follow that suit. But here's another cool thing. I mentioned in the altered chord video lesson earlier, I mentioned the flatted 9. So if you have C7 with a flatted 9, there actually is a diminished arpeggio in there. In that chord is an E diminished 7 chord as well. So even though the bass note's completely out of there, it's E, G, B flat, D flat is an E full diminished arpeggio. It has a C. You can leave the C for the bass player to do, and you can jam over E flat diminished whenever you have a flat 9 situation. And flat 9s are in jazz and gypsy jazz used as the dominant, the 5 chord leading to 1 often. So they'll put that flat 9. It's got even more. So a lot of the songs in gypsy jazz use whenever there's a dominant chord, it adds the flat 9. There's a wonderful exercise we can do. I'll probably tell you about that next. So note that within other chords, sometimes the diminished arpeggio is built into the other chords, a flat 9 chord especially.